Look at this bad boy, XRP. Wow, to the moon. This is amazing. I talk about XRP breaking out today on my Twitter, and I also shared this on my VIP Telegram group. You can see if I scroll down here, I even did a video about it, and I mentioned that XRP breakout eminence, prepare for a skyrocketing surge. And within no time, you can see XRP move this drastically to the upside. So today, I want us to discuss the future of XRP. What I think is my price prediction, and what are some strategies that we can apply to take out profit as price move keep going to the upside. You know, Bitcoin recently trade above $72,000, which is amazing, and there are other altcoins out there that are gonna skyrocket as well to the upside, and XRP is one of those coins that are gonna make a big move. The problem with XRP is that XRP doesn't just move like that, like any like other coins. When Bitcoin is moving, they do move with Bitcoin. XRP is kind of like in its own world, something like that. It doesn't just move, like that. So I think maybe what I want us to look here today is more of what is going on right now, what we can do to take advantage of what is going on right now, and what we can keep doing so far as this bull market lasts to keep taking profit on XRP. So this is what we're going to discuss. I'm going to, of course, look at Bitcoin to an extent where price is. I'm going to show you guys some charts here that you can see and apply to whatever thing you're doing to help you understand where you can just stay away from the market completely. Like, damn, you are out of the market. Well, this is the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help my community make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. So if say you are interested to make the right decisions most of the time, of course, I'm not always right. All right, I'm a human. I make mistakes, but the mistakes I make is not that it's not that costly. You can lose some little bit of money, but my costs are more than my failure. That's what I'm going to say. Like, my win rate is more than my fail rate. So if you want to be part of such an amazing win rate community, then there are some links below this video. Connect with me, and I'm gonna do my possible best to be there for you. Having said that, guys, let's dive right away into this. Like, I would say, like, those of you who want to take out profit, right? you know, it's okay. It's okay to take out some profit right now. It's okay. I'm not gonna say don't take out profit. I know you have been asking in the group to take out profit. It's okay to take profit right now, like, but don't sell. Just take out the profit you've made, but don't sell anything yet. Now, with me, I'm looking at a bigger picture here for XRP. I'm gonna come to this, but what I want you guys to understand here about cryptocurrency is this. Crypto is designed in a way to make people who are patient money. Those who are impatient are not going to make money. And those who think that they can make money through high leverage, they're going to find themselves losing money most of the time. And what I want to do, or what my goal here with my community, is to capitalize on most of the movement out there in the market and make profit, then sell and look for other coins. Like, there are so many coins out there, and because I do this full time, I'm able to research these coins every day, every week, every month, and look for the coins that we can, keep recycling and making more profit, and making more Bitcoin. 'Cause when we make more profit in terms of dollar value, we are make more Bitcoin because we're gonna buy Bitcoin. So looking at price right now of XRP, on the technical side of it, I'll say that if I let me bring in my famous tools here. Like, this is how I go about my business. I'm gonna pull the Fenerbahce retracement tool here from this was the area where the move started, and right up there to see where I can expect to take out the first profit. Of course, you can see this is like, if I have to take out profits, sorry guys, not like take out profit like buy again, where I have to buy again if I have to, like, accumulate more of this bad boy, because it has shown that it want to start moving to the upside. And because we are in a bull market, we don't expect like price to recover all of these vector candles. Price can't do that, with XRP because it has done that in the past. But I don't think that price is gonna do it this time around because there's more buying power than selling power. Yeah, there's more demand than supply. Let me say it that way. So now, looking at this area here, if I have to, take this Fibonacci retracement tool, like right to this area here, then this area would have been or should be an area where I can buy more here, and I'm gonna buy more at the golden pocket. But I love to be secure enough to bring it right down to where it started, so I have a better entry. And if I see price here, it's gonna be corresponding to this zone here because at times when price move like this, price always come back to retest the zone where price break out. And in this case, this is the area where price can come and retest it. So looking at these zones here, this is the zone here. We can see a quick movement for price towards that area before price bounce back. But because the move upward was so huge, drastic, I don't think that it might come, that easily. Looking at the fact that the trend below is showing like it's right up, like right up. So now I will say this. If we look at the daily time frame, you know, XRP is just getting started and it's at a level at a previous level. You can see price is cooling down because price has gotten to this level, and because I know how price moves, like in times like this, I understand how price moves. Let me not say I know. I understand how price moves. You know, now because price is at this resistance level, I know that, or I'm like 100% positive that we're gonna see a breakout here tomorrow or this night, during the ASEAN session or UK session, break, and if we go to the weekly time frame, that's where I'm looking at my target. This is my target here. My target is focused on this area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, and this area is towards the $1 price point. And also there is a vector candle here, and understanding the rules of the vector candle, I think the market makers are going to push price to that area. So if I zoom in, you're going to see that the upside is awesome, right? It's awesome, it's good. But this area, yeah, is going to be a safe area to take out profit and sell at least 30% or 20% of your SRP. I usually like stay in between 20 and 30 depending on what is going on. The reason why I'm taking out my profit and sell 30% or 20% is because if say price reverse backwards, I'm gonna buy more, and if say price keep going up, price is gonna come back to retest this zone because price have to cool off at one point, right? Price can't just keep moving like that, or like up, 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 up. At one point, is gonna cool and do some quick no retest, about, let's say 20 minutes or 30 minutes retracement. It's not 20 minutes. I'm talking about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, about 20% or 30% retracement, and that is going to create an opportunity for you to actually buy back again. But looking at the upside, yeah, and if say someone would draw this, how they call it, trend line, yeah, I'll be able to draw a proper trend line, yeah. It's gonna be a proper trend line that, okay, I'm waiting for this trend line to break out and come back and retest it. Guys, I don't want to play that game of a trend line, because I don't like, if I have to like use a trend line, I usually just use it in this manner like this. I try to block it here, and then I allow price to pull out to to play out. But in this case, I think that if say you look at this properly, if say you would have been waiting for a breakout here, you would have missed out here like long time ago. But I try to look at the trend below, and I realized that the trend below on the 4 hours time frame was making higher lows. You can see it printed this area here, this zone here, and afterward it printed another one here. Boom! I realized that because it printed this zone here, price was going to make a huge move to the upside. And I made this video when price was just playing around here. I made the video the video in the morning, the short, when price was around here, and I think after some like 1 hour or few minutes, price just break out and make this huge move. Right. So now looking at other factors that I want to see in a coin, you know, that will give me some sort of like goose pimples or goosebumps or security to want to stick with that coin, like just hold forever. I want to see the amount in circulation. And when I see look at SRP, I see that only half, or let me say 54% is in circulation. I don't like this, guys. I don't honestly. I don't like. I'm not gonna hold XRP because it can this can give the reason why the price of XRP is being suppressed. These guys, I don't know if say the team or the yeah, let me say the team, they have so much in their possession that they are releasing it in the market, and this is causing price action, like making price not to move that much, and they can also influence the price, like move the price as well, because they have most of the supply. You can see here, like looking at this security supply, like this line is in the middle, and you can see here it says 4.74%. As much as you love SRP that much, I'm not gonna hold it for a long time. I'm gonna be looking at zones area. That's why I mentioned that those of you want to take out profit, of course, you can take it. You can take out profit right now. Like at this stage, you can take out profit, no doubt. Do take out profit. And if say price keep going to the upside, good for you. If we come back down to this area, you buy more with that. We buy more with the profit you have taken. Now, this is how I go out. Like this is how I do my analysis. This is how I go about profit taking step by step. I don't listen to what people have to say on Twitter. I don't have to listen to what people have to say on other platforms. I listen to what the charts are telling me, what my indicators, what they're saying. I listen to them. Then I go to the volume. I look at the volume. Okay, is the volume increasing? Like in this case, you see the volume has increased 345%. Now, before this 345%, it was increasing like 10%, 20%, and that's the moment you realize, okay, because the chart is like this and the volume has started increasing, it means that these guys are about to pump the price. And looking at this also, you can see that if I go to, let me see if I can bring in crypto bubbles here, crypto bubbles, so we can see something. I want to show you guys something that I always love to look at as well when it comes to what the project has done in the past and what the project can do in the future. Now look at XRP. This is it here. For the year, XRP is up only 98%, not up to 1x. This is a problem. Like almost everything has done one more than 1x. For the month is up just 37%. For the week, just 9%, and for the day is up just 16%. And if we go to look at something like AVAX, let's look at AVAX. AVAX is up for the year 226%. That's more than 2x. If we look at Gala is up 128%. If we look at other coins, if I bring in more coins here, you're gonna see that these coins have been moving like crazy, but XRP for some reasons is just stagnant. So this move now is giving me a heads up that it might not end only here from here, like it won't end only from here. By the way, guys, if you're following me on Twitter, or if you haven't yet followed me on Twitter, this is my Twitter handle. Go and follow me on Twitter. This is it here. And if you want to support this platform, go on Patreon. The first section here, support the Betong. You can support me $3 per month if say you want, or if say you want to have one-on-one with me or become a VIP, go to my link tree. You're gonna see the link where you're gonna connect with me through my VIP, and this is gonna be through Patreon. I recommend that you use the Patreon VIP access to be able to get what I'm buying. Because guys, if say you would have been in my VIP group, you would have gotten the buy signal long time ago, because I bought it long time ago before I even made a video about it. So you would have gotten this and be in profit already. And also, if you want to book one-on-one appointment with me, book it here. This is it, 15 minutes free call, and I'm gonna do my possible best to help you out. If say you are facing some challenges, I'm gonna do my possible best. Okay, having said that, let's look at this news, this SRP news now. This is really is pretty cool. Like, I mean, when you look at SRP, look at what is going on with the whales. He says that and 4 million XRP exit Binance as bull reclaim control. What's going on? Like, these guys have like pull out 94 million XRP from Binance to an unknown wallet. It says that Crypto Whale's transaction tracker whale alert has revealed various large XRP transactions in the last 24 hours as bullish momentum returned to the market. Interestingly, five of the large transactions in the past 24 hours have come from crypto exchange Binance, with the latest occurring in the past hour. In fact, 94 million tokens were recently transferred from Binance into unknown wallet, prompting investors to contemplate the reasons behind the transfer and possible outcomes. Whales are reacting now. They are taking out SRP to just store like ledger or like their wallet, because they are scared that maybe during this bull market they can make a lot of money and they're not able to remove it from Binance or some other exchange to to their cold storage wallet. So I think that's why that's the reason why you see them reacting like this, and also they want the community to understand that they are active and they are seeing what is going on and they are part of it and they want to see this happen. And if we look at this also, it says that Ripple SRP breaks above the multi-year consolidation. Here is what it means for the crypto space. Like if we go to the chart of SRP, it's gonna confirm what these guys are saying here. If we go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see that SRP, like this was the high, like before when it was announced that SRP won the case. Price went to this area, yeah, and now price has gone back there. And as I mentioned, we're gonna see a breakout here, no doubt. We're gonna see that happen. So you guys should actually pay attention to it. And if it comes to my price prediction for SRP, I have to look at the bigger picture. Now let's look at the bigger picture here. Let's go to the weekly time frame and let's plot the chart and see what is gonna happen now. Okay, because price is where it is right now, many people are saying that XRP might not go to like the all-time high during this like before the halving, but I think XRP can surpass $2 this bull market. So we can see XRP even go to $5. So let's see. Let me pull this for number two retracement tool, and then I like take from here to here. Let me do this because this is what XRP did last time. So let me do this. I take it from here right up. I want to see where we can expect price to go to. Okay, now I end it there. I take it back down, like load it a little bit. So I take it back there from this area here, and we are looking at. Let me just take it from where price left before, and let's see how much that is. So guys, my prediction for SRP during this bull market, or let's say 2024, well, let me say during the bull market is gonna be 3.7 let me just say 3.79, and during this 2024, I think we're gonna see SRP go to around $1.4. And the reason I say so is because of this golden pocket. If say like if I have understood how price move, I know that price always respect zones, and this indicator, the virtual retracement tool, is one of the most respected indicator in the financial world, and it has been respected by other coins that have charted for a long time, and I believe that is going to respect this one as well. And if say we look at how much you can make in terms of the percentage from where price is right now, let's measure this, see how much you can make. It's about it's not that much, guys. It's about 1x, yeah, 1x. So well, that's my prediction, guys. For XRP, of course it can go further, but I'm looking at 1x, and even if it has to go further to that area, the upside is not that much, like 174. That's why you see me, I'm not like wasting most of my dollars in XRP. At times I buy XRP only when I see that it's about to break out, and when it break out, I cash out my profit as soon as possible because there are more coins out there that have huge upside. I'm not gonna waste my time on a coin that doesn't have that much upside looking at previous data. So this is what I want to see with XRP. Hopefully this was somehow helpful to you, this content. And if you have any question related to this content, then feel free to post it to me. But let's just go right away and check on the alpha. I mentioned I want to show you guys something that you can use it to apply, in any coin you are trading out there. So let's look at the alpha. The alpha is doing so well. And there's something I did here with the alpha that I want to share with you guys here. I don't know why it's not showing me right now. Okay, let me do this. I took this Fenerbahce retracement tool from the top, to the bottom. And immediately I got to the bottom, I knew for sure that Bitcoin is going to make the all-time high. And also, I looked at this vector candles, yeah, and that's what made me to say that Bitcoin was going to hit 58K. I mentioned this earlier in my videos. I shared this as well on Twitter. And that was the period where most people was calling that Bitcoin going to go to 45K. And I looked at it, I was like, wow. Because the market makers, they always respect structure. When price have made this move like this, they always want to go and retest the previous high. And if say they're not able to make higher highs, they're going to bring back price to the downside. So this was what I was looking at. And I tweeted this on X, and I think it came to pass, and now we are up. Now, guys, let me show you something that is really important when it comes to like any other coin you are investing in, be it, be it Bitcoin, be it XRP. Now look at this. I drew this. This is the total crypto market cap before it went right up to 3 trillion. So what do you expect to happen? Price has invalidated the golden pocket, and it has broken this other zone here. That's the 0.786 zone. That means price is targeting the next all-time, the all-time high of the total market cap, and is going to make all-time high. And I'm looking at about 3.5 trillion or 4 trillion. Now, if we look this and we compare it with the total two, you're gonna see that looking at the total two, price is now at the golden pocket. And now the total two is all the cryptocurrencies out there, excluding Bitcoin. So because Bitcoin is gonna go, the total market cap is gonna go to the all-time high, and from higher highs, it means that total two is gonna follow the same trend and break this zone here, this golden pocket. Like right now, the reason why you see most of the altcoins haven't yet moved today is because of this zone here, this area here. That's why it's being slowed down and it's taking time to break this zone here. Immediately it breaks this zone here, whoop, to the upside. I'm gonna see it go right up to 1.7 trillion. That's why I believe that XRP keep moving to the upside. And you can see not only XRP, there are so many coins out there like Avax, OP, PSP Arrow, Floki Ino, Baby Dogecoin. They're gonna go and make more higher highs and make investors more profit. And now, guys, I want you to pay attention to this particular chart. This particular chart is all the cryptocurrencies out there, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So when you remove Bitcoin and Ethereum and you add all other altcoins out there, this is their performance, previous performance and recent performance. And now we are seeing that price is heading towards the golden pocket, meaning we still have more upside with other altcoins out there. And XRP is not included. It's included because it's not among the Bitcoin and Ethereum stuff. So I think that we're going to see XRP keep going to the upside, and this chart is going to form higher highs, and I think it's going to go to about 1.2 trillion or more, or maybe 2 trillion because of what is going on recently in the market. So these are the things I want to see and look at. Right? It helps me to calm me down, not to rush to say, okay, is it the time for me to take out profit? Like what I want to do is, if I see this goes to the all-time high and get to the golden pocket, I want to take out my first profit and sell 10% of all my portfolio, right? And when price break and go to this zone here, go to the all-time high 1.1 trillion, I'm going to say another 30%. I'm going to say 30% of my portfolio and take out my profit. Now the rest which is going to be there, I want to just allow it there and see what's going to happen. And if price come back and retest this zone here, the golden pocket, or maybe come towards this zone here where I see these vector candles, I want to buy it more cheaper. Why? Because I know crypto is here to stay. Crypto is not going anywhere. And if say the market gives me an opportunity, I want to keep accumulate and buy more of that token. So this is it, guys, for today. I don't have much to comment with you to lament with you on this issue of SRP. I want to believe this show about SRP is enough to help you invest in SRP sustainably and also help you to invest in any other coin out there. And again, if say you want to support what I do, you love what I do, you want to support me, go to my Patreon. The link is found below this video. Go there and connect with me through my link tree and my Patreon. You can be a supporter of the Betong by paying just $3 monthly, to support what I do. And if say you want to be a VIP member to get what I'm buying, what I'm not buying, what I'm like just looking at, when I'm taking out profit, or you want someone to help you with portfolio management, then you can go through my link tree to get all those details. And not to forget that you should follow me on Twitter, because on Twitter, I share stuff about crypto that is going to help you to be updated with the recent trend with other coins out there. So this is it, guys. That's that for today. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thumbs up and share my video with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, see you the next video. Yeah, it's your guy, the Betong. Peace. Ciao.